Two 4K projectors, one choice. Let's compare Samsung's The Premier 120-inch and Epson's Home Cinema 3800. If you stay till the end, we'll give you a bonus tip to elevate your home theater game. First off, the Premier by Samsung provides an immersive home theater experience with its ultra-bright laser technology, 4K UHD resolution, and built-in voice assistance. Everybody that has used this laser projector appreciates it for its sound system and easy navigation, though opinions vary on the image quality and color, something that the Epson's Home Cinema 3800 doesn't have. For this laser projector, it boasts 4K Pro UHD technology, advanced 3 LCD design, and outstanding brightness. Everybody that has used this projector praised it for its picture quality, brightness, and the color accuracy, with a seamless 4K HDR gaming experience. All this is to say is that if you prioritize a compact design, voice assistance, and a cinema-like experience, Samsung's The Premier is your choice. But for exceptional picture quality, brightness, and an outstanding gaming experience, Epson's Home Cinema 3800 takes the lead. As for the bonus tip, you can enhance your viewing experience by calibrating your projector settings. Adjust brightness and contrast for a comfortable, eye-friendly experience. For wide intensity, explore grayscale adjustments to fine-tune and reduce eye strain, ensuring a visually stunning movie night.